You ready?
You're watching Dr. Michael Latshaw look inside this patient's nose with a tiny camera.
So her septum is deviated a little bit.
He's looking for obstructions or abnormalities that can lead to snoring and sleep apnea.
We're going along the floor of your nose here.
As a new addition to the Medical West team, Dr. Latshaw is an ENT who brings the latest technology and techniques to his patients.
Anything from working for and helping people with their hearing, to voice problems, to treatment of different cancers. And then there's a big medical aspect where we're treating people with medicines, especially allergies and things like that.
Latshaw works with patients of all ages. A common problem he sees in children is sleep apnea. This is caused by everything from congenital problems to swollen tonsils and adenoids. He says these conditions can bring about symptoms that can greatly affect a child's early life.
Kids that don't get good sleep are more likely to exhibit symptoms of hyperactivity, and studies have shown recently that a lot of kids are misdiagnosed with ADHD and ADD when really it comes down to they're just not getting the right sleep that they need.
Watch for these symptoms in your children.
Difficulty waking them up in the morning, to teachers kind of saying, well, he's falling asleep, or he's just really hard to kind of rein in if their grades are falling off, or if there is those symptoms of hyperactivity, just inability to focus.
Most commonly, surgical removal of the tonsils can fix the problem, but treatment of the condition always depends on the patient.
Sometimes it can be as simple as using a steroid nasal spray to help open up the nose. A treatment of allergies in another way. In some cases, children outgrow their sleep apnea as their faces and their bodies grow. The airway opens up and they stop snoring.
Children may need a CPAP or even multiple surgeries to correct the problem. A visit to Dr. Latshaw will help determine what your child needs.
I'd say if there's any concern at all, come and see us. We can talk about exactly what's going on and what we can do to help. I think more than anything, the earlier that the problem is addressed, the better quality of life the child will have, the better chance that they will have to learn and develop like they should. And at the same time, it gives the parents peace of mind that something else isn't going on.
To find out more about Medical West ENT services, visit medicalwesthospital.org or call 205-481-8620. For CBS 42 Community, I'm Lillian Lalo.